Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm here again with another strategy for boom and crash. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to scalp boom and crash. So it's kind of simple, but just have to really understand how the market behaves. Please, if you are new to this channel, endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe. Also follow us on the Telegram channel. Okay, also follow us on the Telegram channel. So let me just go ahead and show you guys how this strategy actually works, but stay tuned to watch this video to the very end. Please also don't miss any step at any, don't skip the video for any reason at all, guys. I'll also be showing you how I was able to take a $60 account to a $600 account. Okay guys, in this video how I was able to flip it. Sometimes it doesn't always happen, right? Sometimes I do blow. I won't lie to you, sometimes it doesn't work, but uh when it works, guys, it's something awesome. Something awesome. So now let's just go straight up to crash 1000. Crash 1000 is actually selling now. Okay, it's actually selling now. So but still yet, despite the fact that it's selling, it doesn't mean, but it's kind of too risky to try to buy crash within this area, because if you see on the 4 hours on the higher time frame, it's at the overboard. So selling, trying to buy it is too risky. So where I will consider you to be looking for such buys with my strategy is when it's trending above the moving average. It's trending above what the moving average, like this area. So that's the time when you should be looking to buy. Okay, that the buys will be actually really what reliable. Okay, but hey, that aside, now let me just show you something. How this strategy actually works. So it's for the strategy, you use the second zoom level. Okay, you wait for the parabolic SAR and the parabolic SAR and the Chimoku to get to the buy zone, which is below here. And when the parabolic SAR shifts from below there, when it shifts is in its initial direction, okay, and start trading below the Chimoku, and start moving below the Chimoku. Okay, when it start moving below the Chimoku, like you can see here on the screen, when you start moving below the Chimoku, that means you are ready to buy. Okay, and on the main indicator window, once the candles are above the moving average, you can enter, guys. So you see, you could have just entered, take your 10 candles or your 20 candles, and you're out. Okay, knowing fully well that it's kind of risky trying to like trade on a trend that is actually down. Okay, it's kind of risky, very risky to trade on a trend that is actually down. So here's another opportunity, guys. We have our indicators here being on the buy zone. All right, so and now what happened now is the Chimoku started trading below the the parabolic SAR started trading below the Chimoku. You could have just bought, okay, and then you take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. So there are so many opportunities that will present themselves in the market. You don't have to rush. You don't have to chase the market, guys. You don't have to chase the market. So here you have this wonderful, fantastic setup here. You have the Chimoku and the parabolic SAR. So we started trading up, and we have a cross of the moving average. You could have just entered, take your 10 candles, your 20 candles. You don't have to be greedy, guys. You don't have to be greedy. So trading boom and crash is kind of really risky. So you have to be pretty smart about it. Get what you want and leave the market, and then come back again there for another opportunity. So you see here, so we started, the conditions were fulfilled. You could have just entered, then trade. Okay, guys. So let me show you guys how I was able to like flip this account, this $60 account that I'm talking about. So I'm just showing you right now, guys. So guys, you can see this account. All right, although I almost lost the entire account, guys, but at the end I did not give up. I deposited a $150, and I lost down to a 60 down. I mean, more than a 50% of the account was almost gone, but I did not give up. I still kept my head cool, and I still was able to like flip this account, guys. I still was able to flip this account. So trading is not actually easy, so you just have to keep the good work, keep pushing, keep striving. Anything is possible, guys. So, but at least I'm satisfied. This is too much. This is absolutely too much. This is too much, guys. So, but it's been wonderful, guys, trading boom and crash, and I kind of love it. And since the forex market now, the news and the fundamental analysis are just driving the market crazy. Here's a safe haven, guys. Even though they do some manipulate sometimes, but you have to think ahead of the market, think ahead of the market, so that you avoid those manipulations. So this is wonderful. This is too much. I'm just closing my profit. Just closing my profit, guys. I'm just closing my profit. So it's been wonderful, guys. It's been a wonderful one, but it was hectic at the beginning. I never thought I could make something this massive from almost losing their account to this point. So, but anything is possible. Just keep believing, keep pushing, guys. So it's a done deal, guys. So guys, you can see that I've been able to flip the account. So let me just show you one more example. Let me just show you one more example on crash 1000. Let me just show you one more example on crash 1000. So here guys, you can see now that we were on the buy zone, guys. We were on the buy zone after the spike, and then there was a crush over. Let me just put something here so that we can go to the higher time frame and then check it. So we're just sorry. You could have just bought around this area. Could have just bought around this area, guys. Could have just bought around this area. So let me make it big and thick. Let me make it big, 4 pixel. Yeah. Let me make it big, 4 pixel. So you could have just like traded around this area. You know, this is the 1 minute time frame. It's actually gonna be very small. So now let's go back to the higher time frame and see. So you see, it was when the moving average, it was still trading above the moving average. That's when we had the opportunity. You can actually see that. To see that when it was still trading above the moving average, that's when we had the opportunity. So this strategy actually works very well, but always follow the trend. Follow the trend, guys. If it's trading above the moving average, then you can begin to scalp. And then if it's trading below, you can use other strategies, which I don't, which are in my channel too. So now for boom 1000, now you see for boom 1000, you're gonna be looking forward for sales. Okay, you're gonna be looking for sales, guys. You're gonna be looking for sales. You're gonna be looking forward for sales. You're gonna be looking for sales. So for boom, it's loading. It's kind of loading. So let me go to a higher time frame. So now I won't be trying to sell boom 1000 because it's kind of like looking to be in an uptrend. So because I have this breakout, okay, I have the a higher low being created, okay. So and if you go to the 30 minutes, you see some kind of price action move there. So you see that area, the market is actually respecting that area. And then if you come down to a smaller time frame, if you come down to a smaller time frame, okay, you can see now that what happened. You can see now that we are finding a little bit of support here. So now I'm just going to pick the highs and wait for market to break it. I'm just going to wait for market to break this area. So once it breaks now, then I can consider, that this area was serving as what strong, so a very strong what support. So I'm just going to wait, then see some kind of a retest. I'm just going to wait, see some kind of retest of this area, okay, with a good candlestick pattern. Then I can be able to ride it up if I'm using my price action strategy. But other than that, you can still use this strategy to like scalp. You can still use this strategy to scalp, guys. Let me just go ahead and just delete these shandies from the screen. So if I can still use it to scalp, guys, because if the market comes to this area, that's more like a reliable area of support. So but I'm just going to wait for my indicators to tell me whether I should scalp it, then take my 10 candles or 20 candles and get a fork out of the market. So here, as you can see, we have the condition being fulfilled. The market was trading below the parabolic side. You could have just sold and then take your 10, your 20 candles, you're out of the market. So sorry guys, I'm kind of rushing this whole thing. Sorry guys. So here again, this is another opportunity, guys. All right. So because if you look at it closely, if you look at it closely, you see that spike to the upside, guys. You see that spike to the upside. The conditions were fulfilled, and then you could have just sold. All right, could have just sold, and then take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. It's as wonderful as that. There's nothing too much about it. So you see here, we have a spike to the sell zone, and then the parabolic star was trading below the Ichimoku. All right, and same thing here, and then you could have just taken your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market, guys. So it's as wonderful as that. It's as wonderful as that. So here again, the market presented us with another opportunity, guys. So you could have just sold. You could have just sold around here. You see, all right, the conditions were fulfilled. All right, then you could have just sold. Okay, take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. So that's how the strategy works. Let me show you the settings for this strategy. Thanks for staying tuned and being patient to watch this video to the very end. So the settings are the period 20 shift 0 method exponential apply to close, style is 3 pixel, color red. When you're done, you just click on done, and it takes you to the main chart. The next indicator, we have the gear percent period 5, D percent period 3, slow in 3, price field high, low high, method exponential. Okay, the main and the signal 1 pixel, leave them white. So now the levels, we have the 10, the 8, the 20, the 80, and the 90 level respectively. Color is black, style is 2 pixel, color black. All right, when you're done, you just click on done, and then the next indicator we have is the Ichimoku. 10 counts and 5, King Jones and 5, second span B5, field tick, 10 counts and 4 pixel, King Jones and 4 pixel, up Kumo 1 pixel, down Kumo 1 pixel, Chiku span 1 pixel. When you're done, just click on the last indicator is the parabolic SAR, step 0.1, maximum 0.2, style is 2 pixel, color black, and you're done, and you have this wonderful strategy. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for staying tuned to the very end. Please hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Stay blessed.